So I'm not one to really tell people to subscribe and hit the notification bell before I've even started showing you anything, but make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because we got some juicy content this week. I am so excited for the SteelSeries Extravaganza 2.0 we're going to be covering here. As you see, we have all the headsets, the 7X, the Nova 3, the Nova 1, and the microphone, and hold on, we got some more goodies down here. I don't even know if I can get this on my table here, guys. We have, which ones are these called? The Arena 7 SteelSeries speakers, and then we also have the Arena 3s. If we can fit all this on the table here. Now, just giving you a timeline of this Extravaganza today here, we're just gonna be doing an unboxing of everything. Now, these have already been unboxed. I've been testing these headsets for quite a while. Now, the speakers and the microphone, I have not even unboxed yet, so I'm incredibly giddy and just want to pop these bad boys open. But since we're just popping them open, the review on the speakers and the microphone will be the following week. This week, we're going to go, again, this unboxing today. Tomorrow, we'll cover the 7X. Next day, the Nova 3s, then the Nova 1s, a comparison, and the following week, we'll dive into the speakers. So let's go and start by taking a look at the SteelSeries Nova 7X wireless headset. Now, this is also coming the 7 and then the 7P for PlayStation, but like I always state with my SteelSeries headsets, the new ones, the Xbox version works on every single platform. We'll talk more about that in a review. Anyway, sliding these bad boys open, getting them out of box. As you can see, you got the Xbox green for the headband, same type build, you got black on the top. Yo, take a look at this here. I'm not gonna review this. Yo, they went back to the cushions we love, guys. We got that sports weave material. SteelSeries, put these on the pros for crying out loud. Anyways, there we go. Let's go and pop this open, get to our goodies. You got some paperwork. You got a USB-C extender, your USB-C cable to go into the headset for charging. And then you also have a 3.5. And then over here, we have our dongle, a mighty big dongle. Look at that thing. It's almost as big as my finger. Up here, you can see you have Xbox and USB, because like I stated, you can switch it between every single console. Again, quick look over the headset. Yo, Bluetooth and 2.4. You got your voice chat to game. You got volume, USB-C charging, mic mute, and you can change out these ear things as well. Again, we're not reviewing them here, just taking a quick look over, and yo, these things are fantastic. So there we go. There's our look over of the Nova 7X. And like I stated, I've been testing these headphones in the background. Spoiler alert, this is a very, very good headset. Now taking a look at the Arctis Nova 3, as you can see, works on every single platform, and you got a little RGB around there. So let's go on and pop these bad boys open. Let's see what we have. So we got our goodies on the top. So let's pop that open first and see what we get here. Of course, you get some, you get some stickers. As you can see, I use some. You get your manual. You got this jumble of cable, because again, I have been testing them. You got your 3.5. You got your USB cable and all that stuff. As you can see right here, whole bunch of cables, your extender and everything. Slide that away. Let's get out the headset here. And as you can see, there are our Nova 3s. Again, nice sports weave ear cushions. Different headband. They're kind of going with the cloth one on the lower end headsets here. You don't get that silky material one. Kind of going to what they had before. Now, again, great flexibility in these guys, great comfort. You can't change the ear pads on these, but it's really weird. Like right up here where the RGB is, it's like soft rubber touch or whatever. Feels really good to the touch, actually. So there we go, the Arctis Nova 3s. Guys, I can't say it enough, like how light this is. Like, I just want to review it right now. Every single headset in this lineup is hands down stinking cozy. I love the Nova 3s here because there's so much versatility packed into this guy, and the comfort is just, I can't review them right now. We're just doing an unboxing. Now to the Arctis Nova 1, the budget line of the headset here. As you can see, again, all platforms, because this headset is running 3.5. Now we have the white version here. I believe it's also going to come in a black version as well. So as you can see, all of our goodies on top. Again, more stickers, ones I haven't used. And then here you can see you got your 3.5 and then your splitter. So if you're on your PC for your microphone, let's go and pop this headset out. Yo, this white is so clean. I absolutely love the white on the heather gray right there with the headband and the ear cushions. Me personally, this combination is absolutely beautiful, guys. And gosh, so lightweight. As you can see, very simple, guys. You got your mic mute, your volume, your 3.5, your retractable microphone. Same as we've seen with SteelSeries. Now, they did go again to that budget line of headband here, which is just cloth, but still incredibly stinking cozy. So there we go, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1s. And if you guys are catching a trend with me across these headsets, the 1s are like the previous 3s. And then the 3s we just talked about are like the old 5s. Then the 7s are like the old 9s. They're like messing with our heads right here. But yo, I'm loving it. So now we're gonna get to the stuff that I have not even popped open myself. I've been waiting to share this experience with you guys. And let's go on and start it off with the Arena wireless mic. And I believe they made this, I haven't read any of the marketing material or anything, right? I believe they made this to go right along with the speakers. So you can have your speakers, but still have this. It's actually noise cancellation. I'm really curious if you can use this with the speakers blasting and really not catch much of that background noise. We'll test all of that in the review of it. Let's go on and look on the back right here. Open ear design, clear cast technology. So as you see, you actually have a USB-C dongle, USB-C charging, kind of like just one of those old trucker earpieces, you know what I mean? Multiple platforms, so used on PlayStation, Mac, PC, so everything besides Xbox. Looking it over there. Let's just pop it open, guys. I'm really curious what we got here. Oh, cool. Check this out. Look at this. So you got different earpieces to like wrap around if you got a bigger ear or a smaller ear. And they actually lock in. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. You see the little notches? Let's get that up here. Can you see the little notches on the side? Yo, that's really, really cool. And then you got this one over here that doesn't have any top, I guess for the bigger ear or something. Let's go and get this microphone out here. Okay, so it's a little bigger than I thought. I thought it was actually pretty small. Oh, it's cool because you can flip it to each side of the ear because there's no controls on the side. It's just on the top, so you can use it on either side, I believe. Wait, does this spin? No, hold on. Okay, so you can only use it on one side because as you see, your microphone is right there. So it's going to be on the left side where you're going to talk in. Yo, you got the mic mute button up on the top. I stinking love the notification. Wait, am I doing this right? Let me try this, guys. I'm really concerned right here. How does that go into my ear? Is that right? Do I have this right? Let me see. How's the picture showing? Yeah. Okay, that's right. So it's just sitting there on the ear, and then this comes over there. Yo, I barely feel it on my ear. I barely do. Now, it does wobble a little bit, and I honestly can't see. I guess if I pull the mic up here, then I'll be able to see that light. Let's see what else we got under the box here. I'm over here getting sidetracked, okay? Well, yo, we got a windscreen. We got a pop filter with this here. Can we get this open? Ah, there we go. Yo, you actually give us a pop filter for this. Sweet, very good. Very good. Of course, then we're going to block out our mic mute thing. But anyways, nice pop filter right there. We got our instructions. What do we got here? There's our dongle, quite a big dongle right there, actually. You have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Bam, right there. So if you're using it on a console or something. And then you also have a charging cable, USB-C charging cable. So that is the SteelSeries Arena wireless mic. I'm really excited to test this. Again, I'm really excited to play with this, especially with the speakers. I'm kind of thinking in my head, because some of the speakers are not very cheap, right? Which we'll talk about. I'm kind of thinking, man, it might have been cool if they bundled this with the speakers. I don't know. I haven't seen what comes with the speakers yet, so maybe it'll justify the price, but you know what? Let's go take a look at them. All right, so let's go on and start with the Arena 3s here. And these are ones just the desktop speakers. The other one, I believe, comes with the woofer. And I'm not too sure what I believe it's called, the 9s. But looking at these here, massive 4-inch drivers, on-speaker controls, wired and Bluetooth controls. You're talking 4-inch drivers. That's like almost like car speaker size right there, right? So let's go on and slice this bad boy open here. You know what? I'm going to bring it under the... Can you guys even see it in the camera? Let me lower my table a little bit. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now you guys can probably see what I'm slicing open here. Bam, for glory. Okay. Oh, that just pops open. Okay, yo, these things are huge. Look at this. Holy smokes, I did not think they were this big. Yo, those things are massive. Rubber grips on the bottom. Yo, they actually got some loft to them too. You can see you got the little bass breathing down there. Now your drivers are right out there, so that might keep you a little worried, you know, because you don't want to touch your drivers and get cracks along the edge right there. I don't know if I wish they had grates or it's pretty cool like this. I don't know. Yo, these things are awesome. So much bigger than I thought. Let's go on and get the next one out. I wonder if the wires are attached. Okay, so you got the bass 3.5, which this must go to the left speaker. Yeah, that goes to the other speaker. Ports on the back, headset, aux, PC. I love the simplicity. I love the simplicity here. It's nothing crazy, nothing overboard. What kind of cables do we have here? All right, so we got our 3.5 cable there. This is our power brick. Nice big chunky one. What else do we got down here? Okay, so that's an adapter, or is that just slide on the, okay, so it just slides on the back. So they're doing that easy for other countries. So don't got to make a whole different brick. It's just, hey, include whichever adapter requires per country. Really, really cool touch right there. So taking a look at the Arena 3s, guys, I mean, the number one question a lot of you might be asking, well, who uses desk speakers anymore? I do, honestly, quite a bit. On my Mac station, I use Bose speakers, and over on my gaming station, I've been using the Razer Leviathan, the new one that just came out, the RGB one, and that thing's stinking awesome. And I use speakers on my desk a lot. A whole lot, you know. Sometimes it's just nice to get that headset off and just enjoy it right there, you know. The other thing is we might be thinking, are these too big for our desk setup? I don't know. Again, I'm gonna have to play with them. You know, do they twist? Do they twist and move? Okay, they tilt back. They don't twist, but they tilt back. But yo, check this out. I missed this when I was unboxing it right here. You have your power button. It's just kind of right there recessed into the little base, if you can see it. Nice clicky button. Then you also have the volume control right over here. Nice and smooth motion. Super cool, embedded right in the bottom of the stand. So there we go, the Arena 3s. Again, guys, I'm nerding out right here. I can't wait to start testing these. And again, I will bring you the coverage of these as well. And now, for the meat and potatoes, the Arena 7. Holy moly, yo, this thing is heavy. This thing is super heavy. What does it say up on the box here? Two-way speaker design. Okay, so they're looking very similar to that, except we got RGB on the bottom. And then, of course, we get that the subwoofer here. And then it's also USB and Bluetooth. I wonder if it's simultaneous. That'll be actually really, really cool. So everything besides Xbox, that's a bit of a stinker right there. But anyways, I'm definitely going to have to lower the table here. Let me know when I'm good, guys. Oh, my lights are hitting each other. Yo, we got to go way down. Way down. Oh dear, there goes the camera. There goes the other camera. I'm over here knocking over my cameras. Mics and everything everywhere here. You know what? I'm going to raise this table back up. I about knocked over my camera over there. I got my lights whacking all around here and everything. What a stinking train wreck. I'm just gonna unbox it like this while I'm here with you guys, okay? All right, so let's pop that open. Is there anything in it? This box is heavy. Oh, okay, so this is where our weight is coming from. No wires or anything in there. This is where our weight is coming from, guys. Get that over there. It's coming from the subwoofer. You know, this thing is gigantic. It's heavy. Okay, get out of there. There we go. Okay. So there's our subwoofer. Okay, so you got the bass out there, so the speaker must be on the bottom, yeah. What is that, like a 8-inch, I believe? It's about 8-inch woofer right there. Nice rubber feet to prevent that vibration with that bass hitting. Now, when you look at the back, you got all sorts of stuff. Optical in, you got optical out, right and left, which is probably for our speakers. You got your power, your on-off, PC, and then your subwoofer volume. Okay, so subwoofer volume. I hope we can control that by the speakers as well and not have to go down here. Anyways, let's see. Yo, that thing's heavy. That's where all the weight was coming from. So let's pop open these speakers here. Paperwork, box. Yo, this one's got a big old power cord. Okay. Oh, these are smaller than the other ones, aren't they? So what do we got here? Yeah. So there's, it's going like, what do you call that cable? The I forget what you call those. It's like the microphones and stuff. Yo, these are smaller. Hold on a second. Hold on. Are they? Yeah. This whole speaker's smaller. Interesting. Okay, so they got the tweeters up top and then the whole bass driver down there. I was curious to see how, in my opinion, the speaker alone is going to have more bass. But of course, you got the woofer over here probably to balance it out. But anyways, as you can see, you got that RGB ring on the bottom. They're not plugged in. You also got this on the back, so it might radiate some RGB onto our wall. That'll be really cool. Okay, next one. Next speaker here. Yo, the wires that come with these things are thick. Yo, these are jumbo. And that's probably not just because of speaker, it's because also we're running the RGB on the bottom and the top up here. That's why we're getting that power button. And then again, you have that volume wheel. I hope that power button's like multi-function where we can adjust RGB and stuff like that there. What else do we got in this box, guys? Okay, so one more cable, and that is it. Let's get that over there. So what is this cable? This is just a USB. Yo, this is funny. Look at this. So you got these jumbo cables jumbo cables on the speaker and everything, but this tiny, cute little dinky, tiny USB cable to run it to your PC. And that is our unboxing of the SteelSeries Arena 7s. Again, the only product I don't have here is the Arena 9s, and that's like a 5.1 system where you got a wireless rear speaker and you just got that in complete setup. It's almost like you can use it as a living room surround sound setup, you know, or the ultimate game room surround sound setup. Golly, SteelSeries, come on, can't you get that one in the mail? Now, as far as pricing of each product, I couldn't memorize this, so I'm gonna pull up my little sheet right here. The 7X, the 7P, and then the regular 7s, they're gonna be coming in at $180. Now coming over to the Nova 3s, they are gonna come in at $100, and the Nova 1s are going to be $60. So as you can see, right in line with the old SteelSeries pricing and everything, and quite a lot of competition, which we're also gonna cover those comparisons as well. Now, as far as the speakers here, the Arena 3, the ones up here that just came with the 2 speakers, are $130. Coming down here to the Arena 7, $300, and then the Arena 9s, which I do not have, are $550. Whew, that's a pricey one. And then taking a look at this microphone, it comes in at $100. Does it justify the price on any of these? Again, I have tested the headsets. Spoiler alert, yes, but as far as these, I have not tested. These will be coming the following week. And again, as far as this extravaganza, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, because we have a lot of coverage here. And on top of the basic review of these products, I'll also be bringing you a lot of comparisons that are probably on your mind as well. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, and I hope to see you around. Bye now.